Yo, welcome back to the channel everyone. Hope you guys are all doing well. It's Oscar and we're back again with another stock market video. Today we're going to be talking mainly about the like the 0.5 and 0.618 fibs and how they play a major role in I guess we could say how markets bounce, markets continue, let's say to the upside or to the downside. I'm going to show you guys a few little scenarios, mainly one here on Exxon today, but I think there's another one on a drip, yeah, so let's kind of get into it. So basically the Fibonacci sequence has been around for hundreds of years. It's this thing right here called the Fib, the Fib retracement. So it basically works. Obviously you have these different levels: 0.236, 0.38, 0.5, 0.618, 0.786, and then 1. I myself, I don't know a whole lot, I guess more so about the background, but there is someone in the Discord I'm in, his name is Shonov. He showed this Fibonacci retracement. He's been preaching about it for weeks, and he uses it as a main, I guess we could say a main strategy to get in plays. And I mean, I see what this guy talks about on a daily basis. I talk to him like on a daily basis, and this guy is hitting trades left and right, majority wise. So let's kind of get into it. We'll set this up real quick, and we can kind of see how it works. So as you guys can see, this is on the 5-minute. First two candles of Exxon this morning absolutely ripped. We went from 105 all the way up to 103. So we moved basically, 101.5. We moved $2 in basically 10 minutes. Then obviously we got this big red candle followed by another big red candle, and then the reversal back to the upside. So if we were to take the Fib retracement, and if we're gonna let's not do that. If we're gonna use this on this, let's say if we were looking at this live. See, we watched these two candles move up, then we saw this. This is our sign of reversal right here. So we're gonna grab their Fib retracement tool, line it up with the bottom of that, and then we're gonna put it to the top of that candle. As you guys can see, the bottom over here is 1. Then we have obviously the next levels. Now, what we talk about on like a daily basis as the golden zone is kind of from 0.5 to 0.786, or mainly so 0.5 to 0.618. 0.618 being the golden level. And as you guys can see, after we had that retracement, we came back, touched the 0.618 fib, and then ever since then we just kept going up. Obviously we had a little bit come back down. That is, if we follow what SPY did, SPY started going down around the same time that Exxon started to kind of come down, but obviously Exxon started to come back up. So in this instance, you see the 0.618 fib, the golden zone, I guess the golden level fib, came into effect and played perfectly. Bounced off of it, found support here on this candle, then bounced off of it really well on this candle, and then just continued moving up. Then Exxon did kind of proceed to create a double top. Exxon decided to kind of come back. It came up to this 103.94 level. Now if we go back and look at this, we did touch it back here once. And yesterday, I think it was yesterday, we actually I don't remember. Whatever day it was. No, this is the hourly. So Tuesday, never mind. There was this level we were talking about came into effect, but we obviously broke through that 103 level. So that was not a worry. But that is the fib on Exxon like for today. If we look at a larger time scale, for instance, these drip puts in we're talking about here. So if we were to take this level here and pull it all the way down to this level, so we had a downtrend followed by an uptrend and then more downtrend. We came back to this 0.618, a little bit more deeper into the pocket, but failed to find any type of upward direction here and continued to sell off. So if you would have jumped in here from 15.18, you'd already almost be $2 from your beginning contract price. Obviously, if you would have bought, let's say, $15 puts, you'd be well in the money in just, what is that, 2 days, 3 days. Pretty good on there. This would have been Friday market close. You would have swung it all the way up until now. You'd be doing well on that contract, probably a couple 100%. Let's see here. AMD's done it a couple times where it's, if we're looking at this as a larger, from bottom to top, come back to the golden zone once, went up, went to golden zone again, ripped up, came back to golden zone, couldn't really find any more upward movement. So we'll have to see what tomorrow brings. Is it going to keep going up or is it going to keep going down? Let's see. I haven't checked the coin chart in a day or so, but I think I did put the fibs. Let's see. Here's kind of a thing where it kind of failed it, but it's not too much. Or actually, this would have. Nah, never mind. But mainly the thing I wanted to show you guys was on this Exxon thing. Obviously, today was a textbook play for using Fibs, especially the 0.618 level. Ripped up, retraced back to that level, and just kept going. So I think you would have almost had like 100% return if you would have jumped in right here, got out almost nearly up here. You would have almost had like 100% return if I remember what me and Shonaf went over. So just wanted to talk about that with you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did enjoy, please leave a like. If you learned something, or let's say if you want to try this in your own trading, put that down in the comments. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Ain't nobody like me.